Alright, if you've got USDT sitting in your Binance and you want to move it over to your Trust Wallet, here's exactly how to do it safely. Step 1. Open Trust Wallet and hit Fund. Search for USDT and now pay attention here. You'll see multiple networks like TRC20, ERC20, BNB Smart Chain, or Bitsrum. Pick the one you actually want to use. Most people go TRC20 or BEP20 because fees are way lower. Copy that address. Step 2. Hop into your Binance app. Go to Wallet and then Withdraw. Then select USDT, paste the address you copied from Trust Wallet and double check the network matches the one you picked earlier. If you copy a TRC20 address but pick ERC20 on Binance, your funds are gone. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to send. Hit withdraw and confirm it with your security steps. That's usually email plus 2FA. Step 4. Wait a couple minutes for the blockchain to process. Once it clears, your USDT will show up in Trust Wallet. And that's it. Just always double check. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.